Welcome to Web Handling. My name is Dave Roisum. In this clip, we continue our series on bowed roller failure modes by looking at the risks of a bowed roller arc that has kinks and flat spots in its curvature. Only certain applications are very sensitive to the quality of curvature. Before slitter spreaders are relatively tolerant, but not so when you slit the webs into lanes that must be separated. Of course, the more lanes you have, the more demanding the system is for curvature quality. You only have a limited total spreading power, and you want that distributed as evenly as possible. Note, however, that gaps cannot be even if the lanes are of different widths. Wide widths will automatically make wide gaps and vice versa. Also, while you might imagine a kink to be more trouble, it is in fact the flat spot that is much greater concern because there is no local spreading there. Of course, for a given bow magnitude, if you have a high curvature kink, there must be a corresponding low curvature flat spot. The practical concern is that tied up or stuck rolls is common in many industries, especially on two-drum winders or winders with a single shaft. The practical problem is, however, that there are many totally different reasons that rolls could get tied up. This is where knowledge of web handling, plus experience with spreaders, plus clever detective work must all come together. Putting the right fix for the wrong problem may not be helpful. Increasing spreading power may not only not help, it can, in some cases, make the problem worse. In my web and winding classes, we taught the necessary background to help troubleshoot this most troublesome problem. The quality of curvature is an easy concept. It is merely how close the actual arc of a bowed roller axle matches the arc of a true circle. Yet, it is in practice almost impossible to see the kinks and the flat spots that might disable or even destroy spreading. Also, it is quite difficult to measure. So difficult that when I worked for Beloit as a winder designer, we had to develop and teach the bowed roller manufacturers how to check this so that our equipment performed as good as possible. As a final observation, the issues we discussed here are also equally true for other spreaders and, most especially, bent pipe spreaders. Thank you so very much for watching this module and my plant practical video clips. Stay tuned for the last clip in the series where we will just list a few final bowed roller failure modes.